What you thought for yourself is what will happen in your life. So, hi brothers and sisters, welcome kayo sa akin page na pangalawang pagkakataon. Mga kuya tate, the human mind is like a magnet that attracts energy according to what it thinks and believes. When the mind is always focused on fear, lack, or negative views, those same things often come in its life because it allows darkness to guide its path. But if its spirit is filled with hope, faith, and clear purpose, it gradually attracts opportunities and people who can help it fulfill its dreams. Attracting is not just a thought, but a combination of beliefs and actions. Your thoughts are the seeds, and your actions are the soils and water that will make it grow. If you plant God's image in your mind along with perseverance and the right step, the harvest will come according to your belief. So guard your thoughts because this is where your future comes from. Choose to focus your minds on the goods, on the possibility, and the beauty of the future. Because whatever your thoughts turn to, that is the gradually shaping of your destiny. The human mind is like a secret garden. What you plant in it, that is what your life will reap. If it is filled with doubt, fear, and bad memories, things will sprout around you that will repeat pain and suffering. But if you choose to fill your minds with hope, dreams, and faith, opportunities will gradually come that will lead you towards the fulfillment of your dreams. Attracting the mind is not magic, but a law of actions. When your thoughts are clear, your steps are clear. Your belief in yourself serves as the fire that drives you to act, and your actions opens the door to possibilities. So if you continue to let positive thinking reign, you will be more likely attract good opportunities and the right people to your journey. But let's not forget, the mind alone is not enough. The right perspective must be accompanied by perseverance, disciplines, and actions. Dreams do not just fall from the sky but are gradually formed through your beliefs in daily work. Ultimately, you are the painter of your own picture and you're the creator of your own future. So choose the paint beautifully because what you think and believes today will be the picture of your future tomorrow. Alright, thank you for the time mga kuya tate. Bisita kayo ulit sa next video ko. Bye-bye!